What's up everyone, Electronic Search here, back with another video. Today we're gonna take a look at this. This is some kind of Xplore thing, computer, handheld computer. Here's the back of it, CPU fan. Things. Here's the battery pack. It's a Xplore iX204. Sorry for my raspy voice. And I think we can remove it somehow like this. Right here in the handle, we have a pen that you use on the touch screen. And then right here is a small little dock for it. And then to pull it out, just like that. So this isn't going to be mine. This is going to a different person. I see that there's the press button. Yeah. So there's a DC for charging, some USBs, headphone and microphone jacks, a label, and on the other side we have, I think the other side is just a decoration port because it's not opening up, so I'm guessing that's just a decoration. I'm probably not gonna review every single thing from here. Power button right there. I'm guessing this is for a docking station, like most computers have. And it can be used this way too. Right here we have a carrying handle. And again, the pen slides into it. We have a fingerprint scanner right there. Buttons right here. Status button for the hard drive, and then I'm guessing that's power on or / power off / sleeping light. More buttons. Oh wait, no, that's the hard drive status. Okay, so then I'm not sure what this stuff right here is. This is probably power on. This might be the status of like the CPU temperature or so. And then this, I'm not sure. Don't know if this has a hard drive or a CPU yet. Some speakers down there. This was already turned on. We can turn it on again. So it's gonna be the first boot up of this computer right here. Should be a charged battery. You can hear the fan. Xplore Technologies. And then it's got Windows 7 on it. As you can see, it's starting to boot up. Starting Windows. All right. And it logs us in. So there's the Windows 7 background. It's obviously my favorite Windows operating system. Start menu, and right here are some apps that are still on there, which I can't show. To open the start menu, we just click that. Here's the battery. It's got 58% left on it. Networks, which it does have a wireless connection, and then it's got Realtek speakers in it. It's got a Bluetooth driver. And it's got this notepad thing opened up. So I want to see, oh wait a second. I want to see, I'm not sure how to double click. So the hard drive has 118 gigabytes. I'm not sure if it is a hard drive. I'll full screen that so you can't see the files on the desktop. There we go. So this is running Windows 7 Professional Service Pack 1, which is the favorite one of mine. 3.2 Windows Experience Index. The processor is an Intel Core i7 CPU, which my Asus laptop has. 1.07 gigahertz, which isn't that much, but should be fine for the small little handheld computer. There's 4 gigabytes of memory installed. It's a 64-bit computer. And there is a pen and single touch input available, and that is because we can use it with a stylus or a pen in this case, I'm guessing. So the computer name is Xplore PC, which is common. And Windows is activated. I'm not going to show the code. Right-clicking gets a little bit used to. That's not what I need. We can go ahead and start Task Manager. Not sure who's outside there. Some kind of doorbell ringing. So here's the performance of the CPU and memory. As you can see, the memory usage is pretty low, which is good. And it's handling there's 49 processes available. Now, actually, the pen doesn't have to go completely on the display, on where the display detects it. And I don't think this can be used touch. Yeah. I'm not sure why they didn't make this a physical touch screen. You just have to use this pen and get used to it. Let's open up Resource Monitor so we can view what we have for our disk. So there's our disk usage, I'm guessing. Disk activity right there. That's our storage for the C drive. Overview. Oh, accidentally closed that. CPU, memory. That's quite a bit right there. Disk, network. And let's go ahead and go into our defragmenting options. So it seems like we do have quite a bit of storage on here. There's only 15 gigabytes used, which is actually pretty insane. Okay, so this hard drive was never defragmented, and it doesn't show if it's done, so let me do that. Yeah, so I'm guessing it's probably, we can go ahead and defragment the disk, why not? It'll make the computer faster for the next owner. As you can see, that does work. Let's see if I can hear a buzzing sound in the back. Action Center has issues, and that's because Windows 7 is no longer supported because Microsoft ended support for it on January 14th, 2020. But I still use it on my main computer because it's my it's my favorite operating system. It's just that you have to make sure you have an antivirus because it's really easily vulnerable to viruses. So we can open up Getting Started. That's all the things it's got on it. Seems like it just defragmented. We can go and defragment that. It doesn't show what type of hard drive it is. So, yeah. Alright, well, we defragmented that. We can go ahead and see if there's any drive errors, which I'm pretty sure there isn't. Okay, I'm not gonna I'm not going to schedule it because obviously this computer isn't going to me. And we can go ahead and go in the Windows folder. See, there's a whole bunch of stuff. There are some users on here. Wait, no, I only think it's this. Seems like the computer was wiped before it was shipped, so that's good. Oh dear. Internet Explorer. Oh dear. Not that stuff. Kind of want to take a look at how to set up this fingerprint scanner because my other computer also has a fingerprint scanner, but that doesn't work without... How do I type? I just realized this thing doesn't have a keyboard. Do I just grab this? Oh my god. Well, I mean, we can try. I mean, I know control panel was right there. That's not what I wanted. No. Okay, you know what? Let's just click on this. It'll just be quicker. So yeah, horrible without using a keyboard, because using this as a keyboard is gonna be horrible. Hello, cat. It did come with a charger. You'll see that in a second. Okay, well, the cat's excited. User accounts. Yeah, this is the only user account on here. There was a different one with some kind of fingerprint thing. As you can see, here it is. The hard drive usage is almost like barely even zero because this computer is so clean. Like, not even a lot of memory isn't even being used on it. And yeah, it seems like the status button is just for like temperature or turned on. And then this doesn't light up. And then that doesn't. So I'm not going to test out any of these buttons because, again, this computer isn't going for me. Again, 4 gigabytes of RAM and that type of stuff. Windows 7 again. Close out of that. And we can go ahead and shut this down. And I can film the shutdown screen. So this is obviously common. This is how it shuts down. And then the status light goes out. And the computer's now shut down. And I can just put the stylus back in the handle. So up here seems like there's some devices or something. I don't think this is like supposed to be here. I'm guessing this is... I'm guessing these are like Bluetooth receivers and Wi-Fi receivers, those type of things. It can also be put on like a surface, but obviously not carpet. But this fan isn't even that hot because the computer runs really smoothly, which is good. Now we can try. Oh, I think I figured it out. Yep, there we go. But I have to put the camera down, I think. Yep. Alright. So here's the battery pack. Ooh. That's pretty interesting. Never seen that on a computer before. Not sure from what year this is. But it still holds charge. Not sure if this works. Yeah, it does. Interesting. Warranty void if seal is broken. Doesn't seem like the seal is broken, so warranty should still be okay on here. internal transmitters, which makes sense. Right here seems like it's some type of thing for the battery. And Windows 7, don't forget about that. Over here's some private information that I can't show. Xplore Technologies, model number X1 iX204C5. It carries 13.8 to 20 volts, 3.25 amps, DC. Complies with FCC standards and that type of stuff. Here, Windows 7 Pro, Professional, Xplore Technologies. Now, I've never actually seen this before, the sticker. So this could be for a refurbished PC, possibly. Right there's the manufacturing date. And yeah, here's a last look at this battery. Again, we can still do that. Lock this back in. And it automatically locks, which means the switch goes back here. You can just double check just to make sure. All right. Well, there it is. There's the computer. Sorry, my cameras keep going out of focus. Here's the cord that you charge with it. You have that type of style cord. And then this, which has ground on it, which is good. Standard plug. And then here's the brick, which we can turn around. Looks like it's a replacement one. I'm guessing, maybe not, possibly. Takes 19 volts, but that's okay. The computer maximum is 20 volts, so should still be fine. All right, I can go ahead and pack up the computer back up. And it's a little, thing right here. Oh, wait, I forgot to put the plastic back on it. Inside of the box again. And that's everything. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.